Today, I'm making a mixed berry yogurt parfait. It's a healthy, colorful snack that can serve as a breakfast too. Here, I'm using an ancient tool called a mortar and pestle, using the technique called pounding. First, cut strawberries in half, or if they are large, cut them into 4 slices. Scoop 3 tablespoons of the strawberries into the mortar and pound them until they are softened. Transfer the crushed strawberries to another bowl. Repeat the same process and use the same amount for blackberries and blueberries. Mix all 3 berries in a mixing bowl. To create layers, place the mixed berries at the bottom of the cup, followed by yogurt, and finish with berries on top. Instead of using sugary yogurt, I recommend choosing plain yogurt and adjusting sweetness with honey. This mixed berry yogurt parfait is something you can enjoy every day without worry.